Hey everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. If you're seeing this video, that means the premiere is not performing today, and I do apologize. It's just that I have determined that I do not have enough service. I'm uploading this on Saturday just in case my my service is not any good on Sunday. I can always do a switch real fast with very low service that I can do with video with very low service. So I've already the other one is still uploading at this time too, so we'll see what happens. If you are still seeing this video and we're not having the premiere, I'm going to shoot for having it done on Wednesday. But it will be done at 6:30 p.m. because I don't get out of the galley till about 6:15. The video is an hour and 8 or 9 minutes long, and that's the reason why it's taking forever to upload with the service I have out here. Anyways, but let me also tell you, if you show up a half hour before that, say at 6 p.m. Now, mind you, I won't be available to about 6:15 to be able to talk 6:15, 6:20, because I'll still be in the galley to at least, at the latest, 6 o'clock, but I've got to get everything else done. I will be there between 6:20 and 6:30 p.m. You can start chatting amongst each other and gathering and get your said hellos and all this, so we can go through all that, and then we can continue when I show up. Alright? How's that all sound? Alright, people, again, I'm sorry that no premiere today due to the fact of service, but we'll reschedule it for Wednesday, 6:30 p.m. Central Time. Alright, you all have an awesome day, and I will see you hopefully on Wednesday. Bye-bye now.